In today's video, I'll teach you how to change Roblox age to 13 plus. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, click on the search bar and type in roblox.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Roblox. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Or instead of that, you can also open the Roblox application if you want. So if you want to change your Roblox age to 13 plus, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is access the settings. Click on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, settings. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface of Roblox. You'll be able to access various settings options in this interface. Make sure account info is selected. Now in the section for account info, if you scroll down, in the section for personal, you'll be able to find the age group, birthday, etc. Simply click on the edit icon that you can see right next to the option birthday. Now once you do that, you'll be able to update your birthday. Now what you have to do is select your birthday in such a way that your age group will be 13 plus. For that, what you have to do is simply click on this field of year. Make sure to select the year that makes your age more than 13 and less than 18. You can also change the month and day if you want. After you do that, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here verification code will be sent via email. Simply go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com. Now once you do that, you can see over here Gmail will be opened. Roblox will send you the email. Simply click on that email. Now in this email, you'll be able to find the verification code. Go back to the Roblox tab. Now what you have to do is enter that verification code over here. Now after you do that, you can see over here your birthday will be changed and also your age group will be changed to 13 plus. So like this, you'll be able to change your age group to 13 plus. So that is how you change your Roblox age to 13 plus. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.